Hello everyone. So we meet again in another Excel session. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to get your each in Microsoft Excel. Get your each in terms of years, months, or days. And we need to have two main information. The first one is your start date. So your start date referring to the day you're born. And another type of data that we need here is your end date, meaning that the last day you have to calculate. So let's say we're going to calculate our age up to today. So you can use a formula called today for that. So today formula basically will give you the current date formatted as a date. So when you open up your parenthesis, now we don't see any arguments here. So that means no need for us to provide any arguments. You just close your parenthesis, enter, there you will get your current date, right? And for your information, this current date will change every time you open your files, and every single day, weeks or month. So when you copy the formulas downwards, so you'll get the answer, right? So now we have two information, the start date and the end date. Now, how do you get your each? So we're going to use a formula called DATEDIF. DATEDIF stands for date difference. Now you type equal DATEDIF in this cell, and then you open up your parentheses. We don't see any arguments. Do we have to insert the arguments here? Yes, we do. Now for this formula, you need to have three arguments. The first one is your start date, followed by your end date, and the third argument will be the unit that you are looking for. So in our case here, the start date will be from here, and you put your separator. For the second argument is your end date, it's going to be from here, and you put another separator. Now for the unit, so we need to tell Excel what type of unit that you are looking for, either year, month or day, right? So if let's say you are looking for the answer based on number of years, you can insert double quotes, Y, double quotes. Y here representing the word year. Close your parenthesis, enter, then you get your answer. You can copy the formulas downwards. But what if someone asks you about your age in month? So what you need to do, you just modify the formula. You double click the cell, right, to open up the formula, and then we can change this letter Y to M, and stand for month, right? So you press enter, you will get your number of month. And if someone asks you how many days you've been living so far, so you just change this M to the letter D. D stands for days. So this is the number of days you've been living so far, from the day you're born until current date, right? Now, so that's how you get your age by using a formula called DATEDIF.